Welcome to ViaSocket. ViaSocket helps you connect your favorite apps with Shopify and automate tasks. Like when a new customer is created or updated in Shopify, send a message to MS Team or Slack, or connect the client to WhatsApp. With ViaSocket, you streamline your process, save time, and boost productivity. Today, we'll show you how to integrate Shopify with thousands of other apps using ViaSocket.
Log into ViaSocket.
Click on Plus New to create a new workflow in ViaSocket. Click on App Integration to trigger your workflow from an app. Search and select Shopify to trigger your workflow from Shopify. Select one of the trigger. After that, click on Start from Scratch. Next, click on Authenticate Now to authenticate your Shopify account. Click on Authenticate. Log into your Shopify account. Next, click on Test to get sample data. One of the customers from your shop will appear in ViaSocket. Click on Update to save Shopify as your trigger. Click here to add an action step. Select an app of your choice to add as action step. Then, select an action of that app. Next up, click on Authenticate Now to authenticate your app for action step. Next, fill all the required fields to configure your action step. Click on the plus icon to map data from Shopify. Search the data you want to map and click on Use it. Next, click on Test. Finally, click on Save to save your action step.
Click on Publish to publish your workflow. Workflow will automatically send Slack messages for new customers in Shopify. This is the automatic message in Slack triggered from Shopify.